So can you tell us about the charges that the Spanish state has leveled against you?
Yeah, in a plenary session in last December here in the city council of my city, Big, we voted for a motion that was a motion of support of a resolution that passed in the Catalan Parliament. In the defense of this motion, we argued for that we just have to obey our institution, the Catalan institution, because the Spanish ones doesn't let us to vote and doesn't let us to exercise our right to decide our future as a people, as Catalan countries. And we just defended this way, but we respect our other ways. We don't obey anybody to disobey or to obey. We just want to be free, and we just want to exercise our right to speak, right to defend our political ideas in a democratic and peaceful ways, as we have been doing for a long time.
Thank you.